We have this beautiful 1999 Prevost coming in for an inspection. This is a 45 footer. We're going to get it in the shop here, and we're going to do a little something extra special today. We're going to play something called Bus Repair Bingo as we go through the inspection on it. Let's see all these things and we find out what's wrong with it. A lot of these common problems we see, exhaust leaks, strip studs, rust issues, cracked brake drums, fluid not filled up to the right level, bad kingpins, leaky wheel seals, loose or damaged belts, oil leaks. That'll be a common one. So all these different things. We're just going to go through and we'll see if we find these, and maybe we'll happen to get 5 across or whatever and get a bingo. Good? Well, we got some oil leaks. That was going to be kind of a... That's a gimme one, wherever we put that at. Definitely got a few oil leaks that are pretty bad. This one's running all the way down on there. Look at that. Yeah, this would be more oil leaks. Here you see these black streaks come out. Looks like these caps are leaking, the hubcaps in the middle that hold the oil. Looks like those are leaking a little from the gasket on them. But that would qualify as an oil leak too. And he's got on a bunch of them. This tire looks really low too. You can see where it's sitting on the ground there. 2016, so it's older. This is steer tire, a lot of weight on it. Look at this dry rotting. That's not good. And as we check the tire pressure on the front tire, this side is at 80. That's no good. Okay, so we're gonna fill in the square for the oil leak. We know that we've got that. We're gonna go ahead and fill in here for the bad tire. The age of the steer tire, you shouldn't have one, almost 10 years old on there, plus the dry rotting on it and the low tire pressure. Yeah, that's no good. That one's at 40.
Crazy.
No, it wouldn't be low. Came 100 yards.
Yeah, that's extremely low. Okay, what's your air pressure at right now?
About 100.
Okay. I'm gonna go, so can you get more of an accurate reading on it?
Hold on, let me see. There's another screen up here.
We're gonna do a test. We wanna see if it's losing more than 3 PSI a minute, so. If it's easy for you, just tap the brakes a little bit to get it down to 100.
Somewhere in. It's got this electronic dash.
Tell you what, just step and hold the brake pedal down for me. That's a big problem.
Oh.
That's a fail. Keep it held down.
One more?
Yeah, keep the pedal held down. All right. You can release.
Brake chamber that's bad?
Something under there. Yeah, brake hose, brake chamber. I'll have to get the tires off to figure it out, but. Oh, we get to check off another bingo thing. Air leak greater than 3 PSI a minute. That would be a fail on a DOT air brake pre-trip inspection had one have been done. Yeah, that's, boy, this bingo card's filling up quickly. And they're all in a row. Weird because the tire's so flat.
Yeah, it's just all tire.
Yeah, the tire wear on these are a little bit weird because it's been running so low on pressure. I mean, 40 PSI, that's insane. There's so much weight on this. The other side was at 80 and I thought that was bad. That's a steer tire. on a bus. 15,000 pounds on the front axle.
Is it got a plug in it or a valve?
It's a valve. Yeah. But it doesn't look like it's the actual valve. It looks. I have to look at that, make sure it's not the tank itself.
Want me to step and hold?
Yeah. Not on this side. Hold on.
Sounds like it's this side.
Sounds like it's over here.
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead and step on it again. Oh. Oh, brake chamber. You can release for a second. I gotta mix up more soapy water. Step on it. Can you feel that over there, John?
No, I don't even see much water in there. Brake line goes in, I think.
Wow, okay.
Either fitting or scratch to or something else.
Let me get in there and look at it real quick. Well, we know what oil coming out of a brake drum means. That would be a leaky wheel seal happening right there. So we'll go check that off on the bingo card. Not sure if you can win going diagonally on bingo. I think you can. I have to look that up in the official rules of bingo, but we're looking pretty good there with the diagonal ones. We might win more than one direction on this bus, though. We'll see. That got melted. That little tube that connects the, that leveling valve leaking out of the exhaust.
Which little tube is melting?
If you want to look at this brake chamber here. So that's the parking brake, the release line. Spray that fitting up there, those three, that T. And then if you can hit the chamber on the other side too. Can you hit it?
Oh, I see it leaking. Where goes? Let me go to the other side, man.
We found at least 10 air leaks so far and counting. He just had this thing worked on at Prevost a few months ago, less than a year ago. That's crazy. Spray that ABS brake valve right there, and then spray this one really good too. All those green lines that go to it. I'll get back out of the way while you hit this one.
This ABS here.
Yeah, and this one over here too. Get the green line. You have the green air line on
There's
it?
a green right there.
Yeah, yeah. Are you hitting it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Right there.
Okay. And then this one's got this thing here, and then the green line right there. Go ahead and spray it.
All right, watch your face.
Yep, I'm good.
Watch your eyes. Oh, hang on.
Get that green line there.
Yep.
There you go. So, Prevost just replaced all these hoses and everything. You think it's going to leak when he steps on it?
Step on it and hold it, right?
Yes. He's going to step on it, George.
Okay.
Check that big thing up there. That big giant box right above your head. That's what it's coming out of? The bottom, the exhaust on it?
For sure.
Yeah. Yep. That's the quick release valve. Okay. Or relay valve.
How about on your side?
Yeah, he just had these new brake chambers put on at Prevost, and then they put new air lines on the brake hoses and everything, and that's what's leaking is the brake hose. And for just having this all done, I don't think he should have all these leaks. Yeah, he just had all that brake work done. He shouldn't have all these air leaks in the braking system, so we're going to put horrible paid for previous work. Oh, look what we have here. We have a fill line, an add line, and an oil level that's below the add line. The outer rim there line, yep, that's below the add line. So let's go back to our bingo card here. Fluid below the add line. Guess what? What does that make it? Bingo! This is extra sad because we're like an hour into this, so how many times are we gonna get bingo? He said he had an incident a couple days ago where he coming out of a driveway, crushed this. So we gotta open this back up. That's the engine exhaust, greatly restricted. You sure you got that, George?
No, but I will. Watch yourself, Paul.
Yep. Am I, how far back do you need to come?
I'm probably not gonna be able to. You'll probably be really not graceful with this.
I'll just move so you have all the room you need.
Yeah, a little bit of grease on the breakdown. It's not too bad. Just starting. This is the other side. It's got a wheel seal leak just starting on it here.
Is that wheel seal good?
It's just starting to leak. See this wetness here?
Uh-huh.
Coming through there. Wet right back in there.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah, so,
So this is the time.
yep. It hadn't really got to the brakes yet, but that was coming next. This disc brake caliper boot is torn and in many places here. Luckily the pin's in good shape, so we'll get everything cleaned up and replace it here, but the pin kit is almost as much as just buying the boot itself. But whenever you see a torn boot, you gotta immediately take care of it or it's gonna be a big problem. Any sparklies? It don't look sparkly from here. It's just a little dirty in there.
I think that'll be. Yes, sir. Yes.
Well, we're about 4 hours into it, and that's where we're at right now. So we didn't get him in the shop until almost noon today. He arrived late last night, but I had Lenny stuck in the shop with that manifold that I had to fix. And I got that, I started like 6 o'clock this morning working on that. Got Lenny fixed and running and out of there before noon, by 11:30, and then got him in, I think, about 11:45. So we'll get more on this bus tomorrow. We'll continue to play with the bingo card, but since we've already won, we'll see what else we find. But quite a bit of things have popped up already for sure.